Hi, everybody. It's a pretty exciting end of the year that we have coming, so I just wanted to welcome you to my virtual homepage again and remind you that as we hit the last 3 weeks of the year, we have several things that you need to be watching about. If you take a look at the virtual classroom, you'll notice that our weekly schedule is here, and if you click on it, you'll find that you are able to check what we are doing this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Also, you'll notice if you look at our upcoming events, you'll see the events for the rest of the school year, starting with our choir showcase and awards banquet. Don't forget, of course, there's Kings Island and graduation and the bicentennial parade and the bicentennial concert. So those are coming up as well. If you click on the music clock over at the top, you'll find out that we have the review lesson on Fascinating Rhythm and the music of George Gershwin as you look at expressive elements. And you can go ahead and pick 2 of those this week and decide which ones you want to present on. Over here, you'll find on the metronome, you'll see that there is a link to reviewing all our tempo markings. So that is going to be due this week as well. Any questions, be sure to go ahead and click on my link to my email, or you can give me a call. If you want to see the entire unit plan, you can click on the music stand. And then just for fun, if you have some time, you're welcome to go over to the dice and click and find our Kahoot game that is going to review all of our expressive elements. Make sure you put in just one nickname so that I can tell who you are, but please make it a nickname that is school appropriate and make sure that I can tell from your nickname who you are. Thanks so much and have a great week this week as you check out our virtual classroom site.